Welcome to our lesson on Dart, a powerful programming language designed for building web, mobile, and desktop applications. Dart is an open-source, general-purpose programming language developed by Google. It's known for its simplicity, efficiency, and versatility. Dart was first unveiled by Google in 2011 and has since evolved through various versions. Its primary goal was to address the challenges in web development and offer a modern language for building web applications. Let's delve into some key concepts of Dart. It embraces strong typing, meaning variables have types that are explicitly declared. Dart also supports object-oriented programming, making use of classes and objects to structure code. Additionally, it excels in handling asynchronous operations, crucial for modern app development. Let's delve into some key concepts of Dart. It embraces strong typing, meaning variables have types that are explicitly declared. Dart also supports object-oriented programming, making use of classes and objects to structure code. Additionally, it excels in handling asynchronous operations, crucial for modern app development. Now, let's see Dart in action. Here's a snippet demonstrating how Dart code works and the output it produces. This practical insight will give you a better understanding of its functionality. Dart has a rich ecosystem. It comes with the Dart SDK, which includes everything you need to develop Dart applications. Moreover, it's prominently used with the Flutter framework for building cross-platform mobile applications. Additionally, Dart boasts a vast collection of packages available through pub.dev, offering ready-to-use solutions for various functionalities. As we conclude, Dart stands as a robust language for modern application development. Whether you're interested in web, mobile, or desktop development, Dart's simplicity and powerful features make it a valuable skill to acquire. To dive deeper, explore resources available on the official Dart website, documentation, and online courses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!